Well, we are done here in Snellville at my neighbor's house. Congrats to her son who has graduated medical school, and the party that they had this past weekend was the bomb, as she said. So this is the concrete slab that we repaired, and this is the new lattice gate section we put up to house the garbage cans and some wood. And these are the amazing steps that we put in. These steps each weighed about 200 pounds. So it was quite the job getting these in. And back here in the back is the flower bed that we redid. Now you might recall these two large stones, which weigh probably, I'm guessing maybe 600-700 pounds. They were actually back behind this tree, and we took everything out and we hooked up a winch to my truck and just drug them around to the front to a better place and just replanted her flowers kind of in a little bit better position. And then this is looking at the flower bed that we redid, and here's the patio that we redid. So all in all, another successful concrete and landscape job here with Restoration Concrete. Thanks for watching.